Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly edit the photos in the Lightroom app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. Now to edit the photo quickly, here you can find the option of auto. Simply go ahead and select it. And after few seconds, the edit has been added to your photo. Now to compare the photo, simply keep on tapping the photo, and here you can see the before and after version of the photo. And that's it. This is how you can quickly edit the photos in the Lightroom app. Now enjoy editing in a very quicker and faster way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.